Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Today, this provide the 10 way to make money online at home. The best 10 way. The very important. You are a people. You are audience. You are European. You are American. You are Asian. The how to make money 10 way. Best 10 way to make money. Number one, freelancing, drop shipping, teaching online, translation, YouTube, sales all things, survey, blogging, photography, create an app. What are some of the best way to make money on online? Freelancing and monetization social media. Freelancing and monetization social media are a popular way to make money online. Selling digital products like as online course, photography is also popular strategy generate income using the internet. Again, repeat this, the very important point. How to the best way 10 way make money the online. Number one, freelancing, drop shipping, technology, teaching, translation, YouTube, sales things, survey, blogging, photography, and create ad. What are some of the best way to make money online? The freelancing and monetization social media are a popular way how to make money online. Sell digital products, live online course, photography is also popular strategy. Generate income, use the internet. More from your money, choose the high internet service, checking CD or investing in account from the listing top banks and start servicing today. Number one, look for a freelancer job. Freelancing is a type of content work the side job full-time business. Professional with 9 to 5 job have the variants into online freelancing additional income and freelancing within the direct scale. The freelancing career easy with the website like Upwork and Fiverr as recommender for online job opportunity. The best way Upwork, Fiverr recommend. Make money work better you. Capture title bank. Number two, start a drop shipping gig. Drop shipping involves as a simple business model. Find a great product online, act as the agent between the product and the customer. Look at from the upward the product on this internet, the purchase theme, wholesale, and the using e-commerce store. Number three, teach an online course. You are the excellent, you are a skill hand, you have a lot of knowledge, you can start the online course as like digital marketing course, photography course, graphic design course, e-commerce course, website development course, education course, O-level, A-level course, teaching course, lot of way. The create blogging course, YouTubing course, etc. Okay. Teaching online course, the from publish makes especially many people have a skill or experience that can share online. Site like Udemy, skill share help, etc. etc. Number 4, offer online translation service. Spoken is second large and scale. You can bank or digital world online translation earn average for hour $15 to $25. Then costs go up depends project specific. The client many ranks like SEO, search engine optimization. If you polyglot and want to earn $100 to $300 to $500 at home, try online translation. Number 5, make a YouTube channel. The very easy and very easy system and easy way how to make money online and offline at home. Make a YouTube channel that like social network, the social media marketing, social media platform, the very important, the social media platform. You are the capable, you are the talent, you are the content writing, you are the escaper, your hands Android phone, your hands DHL camera, your hands iPhone, your hands is a desktop or laptop, is a very income start to today the YouTube channel create. Okay. Selling a YouTube channel can be good. Invest a social media using the solid member, the followers or the monetization account in various way. Make your money, make our money work better from you. Honest thought affiliate marketing, charge as Amazon, exciting program, will you like product, we can promote, SEO, link building, tools, the content, sell through your social media account, will revenues, the commission is time a social media user purchase the product using your affiliate link. Sell old things. Sell old things. Number 6, sells old things. Whole is open, invoicing the bed of work offline. The platform like eBay and Proshmark make it easy, contained with the consular, the look around home on old things. I needed this make quick cash and the clear customer. More from to money. Choose the high internet servicing. Okay. Number 7. This very important, the second side, the NOS service, answer OS service. Survey website link, survey link contain. I can prepare the 7 number, answer the service. Survey website link, survey gently is a best website in survey company. Connect with your publicity reality, makes you reach variety, product, social network, service, influencer, etc. etc. You are the daily up to $10 to $25 monthly, $5 to $1,000 answering in survey. Okay. Number 8, create a blog. Create a blog. Advertising pre blog to promote their product and drive traffic or things on website. If you appearance can the camera into two of your consider settings. Niche blog who can write the things your person about, monetize it is some time by using platform like Google AdSense. Create a blog, you have to make the niche, the lot of oil, lot of niche. You search on Google, the make, create a blog as the passive income, the Google AdSense or sales commission, Amazon. Okay, make money, the work better for you. Number 9, sales photo. The very easy and simple way how to make money, the best selling photo. Your hands, you are a photographer, you choose photography, you interest photography, your hobby photography, your hands is good camera, DHL camera, Android phone, iPhone, your nice sceneries, that you shoot your camera, the selling your photo. If you have the knock the photography selling photo as a products you can use and the alternative source of income in using generate the content. UGC is a sub-category, the marketing photo with the beside of your photography, how to use the product, licensing and image used to the social media. Friends, your photo, lot of why you sell, social media platform, LinkedIn platform, online platform, Fiverr platform, Upwork platform, Freelancing platform, and this way how to search your computer, the selling photography, the online platform. Lot of suggest in Google. Okay. The last, how to make money. The number 10, the develops on apps. Very easy system, your online courses, you skill hand, the develop online course. If you excellent create mobile apps, you can very possibility skill the mobile apps industry, experience caching month, weekly $613. The present time, the mobile apps market 613 billion in the revenue by 2025 years coming. You can work the online business, government, ensure creativity, then brand idea of life. You can also develop your own apps on game, listing the publish app store and the offer download for the small free. Friends, very coming soon, the 2025, the high market, nearable $1,000 billion market, the mobile apps development. You can be free, you can educate, you can child, you can student, you can businessman, you can freelancer. I can request them, I can provide, I can suggest you make the development mobile apps. The international market, your local market, European market, American market, Canadian market, Australian market, lot of demand, government, organization, non-organization, profit organization, non-profit organization, business, big business, large business, small business, the needed mobiles app development. So you can today join the mobile development course. You can try this practice and good skill. The better the how to income $10,000 to $20,000 per week. The apps mobile development selling. Okay. Again to repeat that how to make money 10 OA, the first time freelancing, dropshipping, teaching online, translation, YouTubing, blogging, sales of things, survey, creative blogging, photography, create and mobile apps. I can request them, I can request comment your sharing my channel, your comment, share, like to subscribe. Best of luck.